Hello travelers, I'm Kimi.
And I'm Kari, and come with us to the All-Star Music for a room tour.
Let's go!
Alright, we are at All-Star Music, and this is the Jazz Building number 9, and we are on the 3rd floor, and this is our room tour. We're at 9611. Let's go in and have a look. Alright, here's a look at our room at All-Star Music. Coming over here, we have the kitchenette area. They've got an ice bucket machine, coffee maker, a drawer, and a refrigerator. They've got a recycle bin and trash bin. They also have drawers right here, and a nice desk area with lots of plugs available. Some plugs over here and plugs over here. On this side, they do have a safe. Coming around over here, this is a pull-down bed, so if you need that, you can do that as well. They have the Hey Mickey thing and USB and plugs right here with a cubby hole. Coming over here, they also have another side table and a side table over here with plugs on each side. Underneath the bed, there's plenty of storage if you need to store any luggage or suitcases. And this is the artwork above the bed with the lights. We've got Mickey, Minnie, and Donald right there. They've got a nice open floor space if you need any more room for luggage. They've got hooks on the wall, and they've got a sliding door right here for the bathroom. So let's take a look at the bathroom now. Hangers, shelving, iron and ironing board, hair dryer. Shelving goes all the way up with a well-lit mirror. You also have a mirror right here. Got your bathroom soap, your sink, and you've got storage down at the bottom with your trash can. They have another sliding door here that has a full-length mirror, and this leads into the toilet and shower area. Got your towels to the right, toilet, towels, glass sliding door for the shower, soaps. You've got the little inlet right here. You also have the hooks that slide across if you need to hang dry anything. Got the rain head shower fall and a bathtub. Alright, we are now going to demonstrate how to pull down the bed. Got to move the chairs to the side, but there's plenty of space to move these chairs if you need a spot for it in the corner there. Kimi's going to try to pull down the bed. And there's your second bed right there. And there's the backdrop with Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Okay, and there are the 2 beds down right there. Alright, this is our building, the Jazz Inn. We've got All-Star Jazz with the drum set right there. And our building has the trombone, trumpet, and saxophone. Alright, and this was our building number 9. Alright, here's a quick look at the All-Star Music lobby. Down there's the food court, and over here is the gift shop, Maestro Mickey's. Here's a little overshot of the gift shop here at All-Star Music. And then down here we have the food court and the arcade. It's called Intermission Food Court. There's a look at food court. It's breakfast time right now, so it's busy. And then they've got notable games over here in the arcade. Alright everybody, that's going to do it for today's video.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye travelers!